Hey guys, this is how to fix Bank of America app not working. So guys, first thing that you will do is just simply go ahead and go to the Google Play Store and tap on the search at the bottom. And after that, just go to the search bar at the top and search for the Bank of America application. And after that, guys, just simply tap on the app and make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And when there is an update, you should be able to update it over here. And also, tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update. Now, another solution that you have is just simply go ahead and go to the settings into your device. And now, once you are on the settings, just simply scroll down and go for the apps, guys, over here. And now from here, just simply go ahead and go for the Bank of America. And after that, just simply tap on the storage and tap on clear cache, and you should be able to fix the issue. But if it still doesn't, just simply tap on clear data over here and tap on OK. And after that, you should be able to reset the app and you should be able to fix it. Now, guys, another option that you have is just simply tap on the application and just simply tap on uninstall and tap on OK. And from there, just simply go to the Google Play Store and now just simply go for the app again and just simply reinstall it back again into your device. Then you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If you still have issues with the app, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. See ya!